I have been warned. Please don't do this to me.
Start from here. Look at me, little bit here.
Cobra straight.
That was so cute.
Only right straight. Right.
Hey, I don't make me laugh, please.
Control it.
Just look here. Look this camera. Look this camera.
Ma'am, your right side. On your right, please. One more look.
Ma'am on the second one.
Cobra यहाँ पे हो।
Cobra just look at the second. Cobra left. Cobra.
हो गया है डन।
Cobra look straight. One more look. Look at
Right.
this camera.
Ma'am, you.
Stream right.
Ma'am you.
Stream right.
Sumit sir रुको ना.
Just hold it.
Cobra यहाँ
I'm
पे
telling
second
you,
mark
come.
पे। Second mark पे आ जाओ।
Ma'am on the second.
हाँ।
Second mark. Ma'am second mark. हाँ.
Cobra, Cobra फिर
Ma'am यहाँ पे सामने.
Yes.
Cobra just straight here.
यहाँ देखने
Cobra ma'am यहाँ पे ऊपर.
राइट राइट जस्ट राइट।
Cobra यहाँ पे.
हाँ।
Cobra ma'am यहाँ पे. Just look here. Look here. Look here.
We want you
Cobra
back
smile
here.
here straight down. Cobra ma'am यहाँ पे. Just straight here. Cobra ma'am यहाँ. Straight.
Right में देखो extreme में.
राइट पे राइट पे।
थोड़ा सामने यहाँ पे.
यहाँ पे यहाँ पे। जबल।
Catchiए. ऐसा मत करो.
You guys are horrible. Hi, Daddy. How are you? Okay, I have to stay here. Okay. Profile.
Let me go through.
So mean. Thank you.
Let me go through.
Honey. Honey.
How are you?
Good, and you?
Looking good.
Yes. Thank you very much. A very happy evening to you. Thank you. Yes. I was instructed that it's Beauty Awards and I have to be at my beautylicious best tonight.
And you are.
Thank you.
The magic is all over.
I have been warned not to smile and laugh, but I can't help it. Sorry. I'm very happy to be here.
See how popular you have become. You
I
were
know.
always, but like now people are like.
I know. I didn't know that good work can actually. I always actually believe that I want to be known for the work that I do and be appreciated for it and be loved. And this is just so amazing. Thank you. Thank you to everybody. Thank you.
Have been advised like any beauty suggestions would you like to place for the audience and the viewers?
So the one beauty suggestion that I have is the fact that you must try something new, experiment. All of you know I never dress like this. So this is actually very different for me. It's experimental, but never forget to feel comfortable in your skin. So you should never forget who you are and who your personality is. And I guess that's always a winner.
And we are going to see some more.
Yes, I hope. I hope so too.
But you have to confirm it right now, Bhoya.
Yes, I'm sure. Yes, I start working on my next project very soon, like in the next 4 days. So I'm quite excited.
बताके जाओ ना अभी कैसा हो.
My shiny lips are sealed for now.
And would you be like you have gone to the other side and you used
Yeah.
to be in this side.
Right.
So now this game is over for you.
No, I'm still going to be on your side and I'm still going to enjoy asking questions and also enjoy answering questions because there's always two sides to a coin.
Thank you so very
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Once more. Bas. Once more.
Thank you. Just hold on.
Thank you.
That's it.
One more.
No.
Cobra फिर से खेलना. Once more. Cobra once more.
No. Thank you.
Thank you. Hello.
Together here with mine.
एक क्या दिख
Yes, both of you. Over here, both of you. Right in the center, please. Thank you. Sumit ji. Kanna ji, सामने एकदम. Just avoid the top right now. गंगा जी सामने यहाँ पे, गंगा जी यहाँ पे।
मैम सामने है जी, इधर भी।
गंगा जी यहाँ पे सामने, एकदम सामने, गंगा जी यहाँ पे।
गंगा जी यहाँ पे।
सामने गंगा जी।
Right, you move from right to left. Extreme right.
No, 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 right here. Center.
गंगा जी सेंटर में हम दौड़ से आएंगे, एकदम सामने।
गंगा जी सामने, मैम सामने यहाँ पे।
सामने यहाँ पे।
गंगा जी राइट में देखिए, राइट में भी।
गंगा मैम यहाँ पे।
जस्ट राइट। राइट साइड। गंगा जी अभी राइट में, राइट में।
गंगा जी यहाँ पे।
गंगा जी यहाँ पे,
गंगा मैम यहाँ पे।
गंगा जी राइट पे, राइट पे।
गंगा मैम यहाँ पे।
लोग क्या मैम?
गंगा मैम यहाँ पे।
गंगा मैम यहाँ पे।
Yes. So, Sapna, who are you wearing today? This is Gaurav Gupta, and he has made this specialized, customized costume for Liva. You know Liva, right? Liva is a fabric, and it's specially made for this evening. And Liva is the sponsor of this evening. Very good, sir. Very good. So yes, Liva is the sponsor of this event, and so I'm wearing Liva. I've been endorsing Liva for a while now, and it's like you can see, like when I entered, everyone's like, wow. So that's the impact of the garment and the fabric. So very happy to be here tonight. One's beauty secret of yours. Beauty secret. I try and be healthy. I try and do yoga when I can, and I try and make good choices when it comes to eating.
Happy evening. Ganga, you have been always such a powerful personality when you come for any event. Is it comes from your inside? Or your statesman or whatever?
Well, I think I've been a very confident person from the beginning. Even as a kid, I was quite confident, if that's what you're asking. But yeah, I don't like to play meek or damsel in distress. You know, like how some girls really do it well, and they benefit also a lot from always playing the damsel in distress. Not my case. I'm not convincing in that role.
We have very limited time, so everyone wanted to ask any event which you are looking forward for the event in this year, any ek bada koi event. To be particular, everyone wants to ask like about Priyanka's marriage. So we haven't able to ask you. So you got the opportunity. We would like
Well,
to
I spoke to Priyanka the other day and I congratulated her, and she's responded in a very she seems excited and very happy. So I mean, of course, if such a thing is event is taking place, I would love to celebrate with her, because she's lovely and she deserves all the happiness, and she's a very close friend, very dear friend, and I get very happy and excited with weddings and engagements, pretty much like Begane Shadi Mein Abdullah. That's my
She confirmed
scene.
the date? She confirmed the date?
No, not to me. Not to me.
After that, everyone look forward to you.
We'll have this last So, mate, you've not popped the question. So, how can I decide a date?
Okay.
Thank you.
Kanna, Manikarnika के बारे में next time पूछे?
Yes.
And mental also.
Straight down, yes.
You're right. You're on the first one.
Yes.
Yes, up over here. Look straight here.
Hey, stop.
Over here. Look straight here. Come over here. Here, look straight here. Come over here.
Here left. Here center. Here look here, look this camera.
Yes, second one.
Yes, look here. Here, straight here. Here, look here. Here, straight.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, यहाँ पे ऊपर.
Yeah, right.
Here,
Yeah,
यहाँ पे ऊपर.
Yeah, yeah.
Right here. Right. Yeah, यहाँ
Yeah,
पे.
right.
Yeah, यहाँ पे ऊपर.
Yes, look here, yeah.
Yeah.
Here,
Over here, yeah.
right पे.
मॅम इकडे वरती समोर. मॅम समोर. मॅम या दिला मॅम इकडे समोर. रवीना मॅम इकडे.
Thank you. This please for you. Hi. Yes, it is a happy evening. Hi, Ravi. What's my secret? I can't hear the last word. Sorry. Secret beauty tip. But tell everyone, then what's the point? I believe vitamin E, I think, is very, very important. So whether it's external or internal, vitamin E in the form of dry fruits like almonds and stuff. And vitamin E oil is great for the hair, great for your skin. So that is something I swear by. I'm wearing Drishna Zara. One second. I just have to fix something. 1 second. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah. No, you asked me whom am I wearing today. Yeah. Yeah, we went ahead, right? I told you. Yeah. You know, somehow I'm not being able to hear you with the music. You speak up a little louder. That's I'm not understanding what you're saying. Oh, what next project? So I am sifting through a couple of scripts now. If something nice comes along, then I definitely will do it. And you had asked me about the designer. It's Drishna Zara. So just don't think Zara because I said the Drishna little soft. So it's Drishna Zara. Yes, Sumit.
Just back from holidays, we see lots of pictures from your side. It's refreshing coming back from break.
I think it's always better. Everyone should get a break once in a while. And you get so used to the monotonous way of life. So kahin bhi nikal jao, chahe wo weekend break ho ya, you know, anywhere with your loved ones. You come back refreshed, recharged and ready to hit it back again. Thank you, Sumit. I think it's amazing. So I think it's great the way she's handled her life, her career. I'm very proud of her. Thank you.
रवीना जी रवीना जी
Miss India. Miss India. Sweet, you're very kind. You're kind-hearted. That's why you say these nice things. But thank you so much.
Yeah, the second.